Oh Lord, Jesse made another one.
Packing the mail, it's gone.
So, hey guys. So first things first, I'm going to be taking my Sea Breeze and just cleaning my skin to remove any oil or dirt that maybe didn't come off as I washed my face, and I'm just doing that with the cotton round. So next I'm going to be taking my Dixon's Witch Hazel, which helps with any excess oil, and I'm just going to be spraying that on. So then I'm going to take my Mario Debesco facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea and just spray it on for a glow. So then I'm going to be applying my Base Tape Hydrating Primer from Tarte. So I'm just putting some on my hand and going to apply it over my face. So then I'm taking my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and it's in the shade Chocolate. So I'm just going to take my brush from e.l.f. to apply that in, but I'm going to fill my brows off camera. So then I'm going to be taking my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm just going to be doing some basic eyeshadow. Nothing spectacular. So then I'm taking my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Medium Beige GC978. So then I'm going to be taking a tan and just applying it in my crease just to get a kind of nude eye going on. And I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Intense ink eyeliner to just draw myself a basic little wing on my eyelids. So then I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just putting some mascara on my top lashes before I apply my lashes on. So then I'm going to be putting on some lashes. I think I got these from AliExpress. I'm just putting the glue on the lashes. I fast forward this part because it's not much to see here, just me putting on the lashes. So then I'm going to be applying my THATSALYSSAXO Rose Gold Elixir, and I'm just going to put it all over my face to get a glow going on before I put on my foundation. So then I'm going to take my Too Faced Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. It's called Hangover, and I'm just going to spray that all on my face. So then I'm going to be taking my Maybelline foundation. It's the dewy+smooth in 330 called Toffee, and I'm just applying that with the foundation brush I have purchased at, I think, TJ Maxx. So then I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. blending brush to just blend in the foundation, and I just sprayed some rose water on the brush before I started blending to just kind of get the brush a little damp. And I'm going to be taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC42, and I'm just going to be using an e.l.f. brush to apply the concealer. So then I'm going to be taking my Real Technique brush to start blending in the concealer. Also, I'm going to go in with one of my Morphe brushes and then the e.l.f. brush that I use to blend my foundation out also. Taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder to just set the concealer. So then I'm taking my Morphe bronzer. It's called Blogger. I got this actually in one of my Ipsy bags, and I'm just using this to contour. So then I'm just taking some black eyeliner that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm just applying it to my waterline, and then I'm just going to be taking my Better Than Sex mascara and applying that. So then I'm going to be taking my Ofra highlighter, and it's called Rodeo Drive. I got this in one of my Ipsy bags, and I really like it. So then I'm going to be taking this lipstick. I honestly can't tell you what brand it is because it's not on there anymore. but I got it at the beauty supply store, and I just love the look it gives. And then I'm just applying a clear gloss that I also got from the beauty supply store on top of it. Then I'm taking my Too Faced setting and primer spray all in one and just setting my face with it. This is the final look of my makeup tutorial I just did. So I really like this. This is kind of what I've been doing like every day when I wear makeup. I don't wear makeup every day, so it's not my everyday makeup routine. And my everyday makeup routine probably wouldn't consist of lashes. But this is just how I do my makeup when I'm getting ready to go out. Comment below if you want to see my updated eyebrow routine. And that's it.
Who you a fool for this? Oh Lord, Jesse made another one.
Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I